students, in this session we are going to discuss the next topic of national income, that is expenditure method. As I told you earlier also, there are three methods to calculate national income method, expenditure method and value added method. Income method we have already discussed. Now the second method is expenditure method. Now the very important point from expenditure method, what we are able to calculate, that is GDP at the rate of MP and NDP at the rate of MP. Between both of them, we are able to calculate any one of them. I'll let you know in this situation what we are going to find out. Now, GDP at the rate of MP, it means gross domestic product at the rate of market price. NDP at the rate of MP, it means net domestic product at the rate of market price. Now, what is the formula of that? Formula is C plus G plus I plus X minus M. Now, what is the C? C, it means private household consumption expenditure. G equal to government final consumption expenditure. That is given in the question as it is. You have to just write the value of this C plus G. Now, the very important term is that is I. I means investment. Either they are giving you gross investment, net investment or there are the one other name, that is gross domestic capital formation. That is the name of investment which I told you in the theory part, gross domestic capital formation. If in the question that is given gross domestic capital formation, what is the meaning of that? Investment. Clear? Now, the question arises when in the question that is given gross domestic fixed capital formation. Which word? Fixed. Make it short. Gross domestic fixed capital formation. The word, if it is given fixed, in that condition we have to add change in stock. All of you know how to calculate change in stock. Closing stock minus opening stock. Clear? Now I am explaining investment again. If in the question, investment can be given in a few ways. First, investment, they can give you as it is investment. Make it sure that is a gross investment. Or they can give you gross domestic capital formation. That is the other name of investment. Clear? If in the question that is given gross domestic fixed capital formation, the word fixed it is given, then add change in stock. How to calculate change in stock? Closing stock minus opening stock. Now, see, if in the question they have given gross domestic capital formation, then we are able to calculate GDP at the rate of MP. Clear? If in the question it is given gross domestic capital formation, the word gross it is given, then we are able to find out gross domestic product at the rate of market price. If instead of gross they have given net, then we are going to find out net domestic product at the rate of market price. It means NDP at the rate of MP. Clear? If in the question that is given gross, we are able to find out gross domestic product at the market price. If it in the question that is given net, we are able to find out NDP at the rate of MP. Clear? Now, you have to note it down the formula next, that is export minus import. X equal to export, M equal to import. I am just writing here X minus M. X equal to export or M equal to import. Now, this is also can be given in a two ways, net export, which we are going to add. What is the meaning of net export? X minus M. And it may be given net import. That means M minus X. which we are going to minus. Clear? Net export we are going to add, or net import we are going to minus. Clear? Now note it down this formula. I am just giving you few minutes to note it down this formula. Then we are going to solve out example. I hope you are noting down the formula. I am just giving you few minutes so that you are able to note it down, and then we are going to sort out the question of related topic. As well as try to learn it. If you have any kind of doubt, just let me know so that I can solve out. Done? Now I am just giving you one question. Now the question is calculate national income. First of all, private final consumption expenditure. All of you please note down the question also so that I will rub it. Second, profit 100. Third, government final consumption expenditure, that is 700. Now fourth, net indirect taxes. That is 50. Now gross domestic capital formation, that is 250. Now change in stock, 50. Sixth, seventh information, net factor income from abroad, that is minus 50. Next, consumption of fixed capital, I told you, that is depreciation, which is 70. Next, that is net export. Net export means x minus m, which is 30. Now we are going to solve this question by discussion, because in the question that is given gross domestic capital formation. So we are able to find out GDP at the rate of MP. Formula C plus G plus I plus x minus m. C, all of you know, I told you C equals to private final consumption expenditure, that is 600. Government final consumption expenditure, that is 700, plus I, gross domestic capital formation, it is known as a I. Fixed rate is not given, so we are not using change in stock. We are just using gross domestic capital formation 250 plus net export, that is how much it is given, 30. Now solve it. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15, 80. Clear? Now, what we have got? GDP at the rate of NP. What we have to calculate? National income. How to calculate national income? All of you know what is the formula of national income? Net national product at the rate of factor cost. We have to find out now. I told you whatever we have calculated, we are going to write at the top GDP